Hey guys, hi everyone. Myself I'm Akshay Kumar, founder of Argroupsolutions. Today I would like to tell you all about what is GitHub, what do you mean by GitHub, why it's useful, the outcome of the source. Let's see right now on the screen. I would like to tell you about what is this GitHub stands and what you're going to study. Are you looking for creating of a good profile in GitHub? Okay, I'm going to teach you for here. And what are the things you're going to learn in this? First, let's see basically what is GitHub. Okay, I'm going to show you what is GitHub. Basically first I'm going to explain you what is GitHub. So today topic GitHub. Okay, what is GitHub? So in previous class we covered about two different topics, Git and GitHub. You can check it on my playlist available on the Python. Okay. Just before starting my class, I wanted to make you clear, even deploying a code on portal where local, where your client can see. I mean, the client or your professors or someone who can see your code and your friends can enjoy the things. Okay, now let's jump into this thing. But now my basic topic focus is on this one, GitHub. Okay. What is GitHub? I said you this is nothing but a hosting service. In last class I also said you what is this, what do you mean by this hosting service, where think I'm going to say once again about this class. 1 minute. So think last time you wrote a Python file. 1 minute. Last time you wrote a file we created some file for k.py, where this file was containing hello world program, right? Hello world program. So if I wanted to show everyone I wrote this program successfully, okay, this is basic one. I'm not going to make you to all upload this the small programs in GitHub. Okay, I wanted to showcase you after once we are going to advanced topic, you can upload your own code, what are the changes you learned, what are the things you learned, what are the things you learned, and what are the changes you made after my learning things. Okay, after advanced topics, not right now, but still I wanted to make clear what is this stands for. Meanwhile also I wanted to upload basic codes scratch, so that other persons can learn from you. Okay, so now I wanted to upload this code. Okay, k.py. So I need to make service of GitHub. Okay, GitHub. So this is GitHub. I was telling you all about this GitHub. Okay, this GitHub here. Now creation of profile. How do you want to create your profile, and what is repositories, and how to upload the code? I'm going to give you not via commands. I'm not giving you via commands. Okay, noted. Point to be noted. I'm not going to show you via commands. Okay, no commands. In this class we are not using this topic commands. Okay, only direct deploy. Okay, I mean via you can upload your own file from there. Okay, direct. So now let's jump into now let's jump into how to create these files. Okay, how to create a GitHub profile. Okay guys, right, sorry for this profit. It's not profit actually. 1 minute. I'm sorry for this. Now let's see how to create this GitHub profile. Okay, our next topic is creating a GitHub profile. Okay, how to create GitHub profile. Okay, there are few certain steps. You need to have some valid email ID. One is email ID, another one is username. All you know guys how to create username and email ID, right? So same thing this. So now I'm going to show you real time how to create your repository. Okay, I'm going to show you right now on the browser. Okay, how to create these things. Okay, now let's start to create about these things. Okay, so just go to Google and just type GitHub. Okay, GitHub. Now when I type this GitHub, the page portal launches. Okay, just go to here there's a command sign up. Okay, just go as in you don't have account right now, so you can just go to sign up option over here, just press sign up. Now it's going to display something to your message creating account. Just enter your valid email address. In my case I'm just using another email address. This is how to create email address. I have already GitHub repository, so I'm going to create with some dummy other case. Okay, so I'm using this some other dummy my project's case email ID, so I'm going to check out with this email ID. Okay, now it's asking me to create a password. Okay, I'm going to create some password, random password here. Okay, I just entered some random password here. So I'm going to let's press continue over here. It's going to continue, but still it's asking just enter something more valid. Okay, I'm going to enter more valid over there. Still it's not taking. So you need to enter good password. This indicates creating a good password is required for this. See, now it got taken. Okay, we are get a green mark. I knew this what are the mistake I made, but I wanted to show you you need to use a protected password for this. Okay, now press continue over here. It's going to ask you some username. Enter username. So in my case I'm just removing some this system over. Okay, now I'm just entering face recognition attendance system. Okay, I'm going for this. I'm going to press okay. Okay, you can create your own username, whatever you want, call for repository. Now it's asking would you like to receive products update to your mail. It's up to you. You can press yes or no. Okay,